Why share large files online?
Email services often limit file attachments, making it difficult to send big videos, documents, or photo collections. Free cloud storage tools offer an easy and secure way to share large files with anyone, breaking past those frustrating email limits.
Choosing a free cloud storage service.
Popular free cloud platforms include Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Each allows you to upload large files and generate shareable links. These services offer generous free storage limits, typically between 2 and 15 gigabytes, making them ideal for occasional sharing needs.
Uploading your files.
First, create a free account with your chosen cloud service. After signing in, look for an Upload button or New menu. Select your large file from your device. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and file size.
Generating and securing share links.
Once your file is uploaded, right-click on it or use the Options menu to select Share or Get Link. Most services let you control privacy settings, such as allowing view or edit access. For sensitive files, set a password or expiration date if the service supports it.
Sending the file safely.
Copy the generated link and send it to your recipient via email, messaging, or any preferred platform. Remind them that the link may have limited access based on your settings. This method is not only simple, but keeps your large files secure and easy to retrieve.